Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for the month of July 2021, and we will also see what are the guidance messages for you in this month. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies in this reading, and at the end of the reading I'll pull out some cards for you as an advice from the universe. And this is going to be a Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign video. So if one does not resonate with you, you can check other signs as well. Let's see. So what's there for my Capricorns in the month of July 2021? Capricorns, July 2021, please. Capricorns, July 2021. Past, present and future energies. Capricorns. Okay, so the obstacle for you this month will be the King of Cups, and at the end of the deck we have the Five of Wands. Alright, so the overall energy is the Five of Wands over here. Alright, so let's talk about the obstacle for you this month. So this is more like a king, so this is the King of Cups, and this is more like, you know, some kind of a feeling, some kind of a place, some kind of an emotion which you're trying to hide, I'm getting. So because this has come up in obstacles, so this is more of a negative kind of a card, where you know, this can be somebody's father, somebody's, you know, elder brother, because this is more of a brotherly, you know, this is that manly feeling. It does not needs about we do not need a person, a male only. This is more manly energies where you know, somebody is trying. So this can be you, this can be your person, this can be somebody in your family, your mother even. Okay, so this is a person who is very showing, very much showing, you know, they love you, but they are not trying to give you that love, or they are not basically showing that love to you. So but the love is there. So that is why this has come up in obstacles energy, because they love you but they are not able to show it to you. And this might be the feelings you might be going on in this month. This might be a transformation, like first you used to love me like that much and now nothing. So this is that kind of an energy as well for some of you. This can be your energy also, where you are trying to show love to someone before, and now in this month all of a sudden you are not able to show, or some kind of feelings are just worn off. Okay, so we will clarify more about this card. In the overall energy we have the Five of Wands. So this is more like some arguments, you know, fights going on in between you and your person, and that is why, you know, this coldness is what I'm getting in this month for you. Alright, so let's see. So what is hidden from you is the Empress. Okay, so this is the universal messages which might be hidden from you or might not. Okay, so we have the Devil card also. This is your energy. We have Taurus, we have Capricorns, Knight of Cups. Okay, Three of Cups and the Sun. Okay, so okay, so I think that somewhere or the other you really want to grow. Okay, it is a very growing card. It is a very nurturing card where we want to grow in our lives. This is like, I want to grow passionately. I want to grow, like, you know, people should see me, people should see what I am doing. This is more of in love also. You want to grow, you want to build a formation with this person of yours, and but this is more of an addiction kind of a thing, temporary kind of thing, although you really want it to be more in that permanent kind of situation. But this is more temporary, as it has come up with the Knight of Cups and the Devil. Strong temporary energies, but your side is more permanent, or it can be vice versa as well. I'm also getting some third party situation in this reading. This can be a mother, father, a person which you feel that who is involved in with your person, with your man, or with your you know, anyone can be, because the Empress is also here. So this is something hidden. I think this can be a person in your life who has stopped showing those love and that affection to you which they used to show before, and all of a sudden they have started getting feelings for someone else, because the Knight of Cups, the Devil, and Three of Cups, not a good combination for love affair, you know, and love, strong permanent love, not a good combination. This is more of a temporary love affair which people might get, and because of that you might be having arguments like, you are not giving me time, you are always busy, your phone is busy always, you are involved with some other people, what is exactly, you are trying to hide something like that. Okay, so in the past we have the Moon, Four of Pentacles, and Ace of Cups. So definitely the hideous energies were always there from the past only. So there was something, the Moon with the Four of Pentacles, strong hideous energies are coming up. So this is like your person was hiding something before and they were not telling you, they were holding on to tell you the exact situation, what were they going through. And this was something new. Okay, so this was the Ace of Cups. So they might have met someone new and all of a sudden they just stopped talking to you. They might have stopped showing you the feelings, because this is more of a holding on, stopped showing feelings to you, and that is why this can be the obstacle for you this month. In the present, we have the Four of Cups, Seven of Swords, and the Knight of Wands. Again, they are not ready to accept the love, they are not giving love. So they are just ignoring. You are in that situation where you are ignored. The person is not accepting the love offer, the person is not accepting your calls, nothing, and they are trying to be playful. Okay, so they are trying to be hideous, because Seven of Swords energy, strong, passionate energy with the Knight of Wands. So this is a person who really wants to just move away from one situation to another, who wants to run away from the one thing to another, and who does not likes to stay, because this is a very fire kind of energy. You might be dealing with a Sagittarius, Leo, or Aries, or also in the coming future we have the Queen of Cups, Four of Wands, and Queen of Swords. So definitely, I don't know, but there are two people involved in this situation. Okay, definitely with one person it's more like all of a sudden in the coming future, what I am getting is, with one person it's more like an emotional bond, and with another person it's more of a goodbye bond. So somebody is trying to cut off someone and to move towards someone else. More of a marriage kind of a thing is also coming up, because we have the King of Cups with the Queen of Cups. So these are not definitely your energies which I'm getting. This can be a Scorpio or Cancer with whom you are dealing with. With the Queen of Swords might be a Libra. So I don't know, but this is feeling to me to be your energies more, Capricorn, that the person is trying to cut you off. I really feel that this is your energy, so you are trying to cut the person off. At some point you will try to cut them off, because you might be knowing what exactly is going on. All the hidden truths are coming up on the surface. That can be the situation. Okay, now I want to clarify what is going on. Clarifications please for my Capricorns. Capricorns, okay, so why the King of Cups is here? King of Cups energy, why the overall energy is the King of Cups, please? Tell me more about the King of Cups and the obstacles energy, please, for my Capricorns. Queen of Swords, see, Wheel of Fortune, okay, and Ace of Pentacles. So something is turning away or turning in. We can say anything about it, because with the Wheel of Fortune it's very unpredictable. Okay, things can be like, once you will start making them feel that you have cut them off towards something, in like, I don't care what you're talking about, because this is, I don't know, but this is your energy. You might be having some other sign in Libra, like your sun, moon, rising, Venus, anything, but this is you being a Libra energy. Basically, why you are feeling like that, because you are cutting people off. You do not want, you love truth, okay? Justice is your energy, where you want the truth. People are trying to hide things, the person is trying to hide things from you, and you are not accepting it, you're not liking it. So you have put everything in the fate, in the destiny, that whatever you want to give it to me, universe, I am ready to accept, and I will accept it with my, with my happy hands, basically. Okay, so you have left everything in the universe right now, as of now, and whosoever this person is, this is the obstacle, and you are ready to cut people off in your life. You are ready because you are not happy to be with a person who is being hideous, who is trying to show, trying to ignore you, and not able to let you feel what you are feeling. Okay, something like that. Let me clarify this Five of Wands energy in the overall. Okay, so overall energy as Five of Wands. Please tell me more about the Five of Wands. Two of Cups, Ten of Cups, and Five of Pentacles. This can be a strong soulmate connection, might be marriage as well. So you are separating, there is a separation from marriage also. Some people are getting separated, some people were soulmates, like literally from such a long time, long duration, years of time, and all of a sudden this person has left you out in the cold. And it's like, all of a sudden, what has happened to you? Oh my god, why are you behaving so immature, so kiddish? You are so mature, you were so mature, and what happened to you now? You are talking to a person like that, and your person is, I don't know, Capricorn, but I don't feel the same with you before, the same now what I used to feel before. I don't know, but they are really the knights. They are behaving like the knights. Knight of Cups and the Knight of Wands energy. Strong playboy kind of energies are coming up. Okay. Okay, so in the past energies with the Ace of Cups, tell me more about the Ace of Cups, please, in the past. Tell me more about the Ace of Cups in the past. King of Pentacles, Page of Cups, and Queen of Wands. All the suits. I feel that there's not one person who is involved in this reading. There are more than one person. For some of you, there is also a kid involved, a small kid who is girl, boy, anything. But yeah, this happened really fast, whatever that situation was in the past, it happened fast. It was unexpected. You didn't expect that thing. You received a call, you received a message, you got to know some news, and this was very unexpectedly you received that thing, and it is really hard for you to accept that. And this person has always behaved very in a hideous and very mysterious way, and you do not like people who are actually mysterious, and that is why they are like, they have always tried to hide things from you, always. Okay, so let's see the present energies now. Why the Seven of Swords energy is here in the present? Tell me more about the Seven of Swords, please. The Hermit, Ace of Wands, and Seven of Cups. Definitely, yeah. Okay, so this person, whomsoever you are dealing with. I don't know, but they have started exploring more options. They have started dealing with new people. They have started having that aura of, you know, newness. I want to explore new people. I want to explore new places. I am really happy. They have become, all of a sudden they have become that teenagers, and they want to just live their life in a very passionate way, and they do not want to be with anyone. Basically they just want to be with people till the time they are happy with them, not for long duration of time. And they are literally not there anymore, you know, in emotion wise. I don't see them there now. They are trying, they have started ignoring you. They have just started betraying, you know, strong betrayal energies are coming, cheating energies are coming. So this is deception. This is not staying in that situation, and that is why they are just moving away. They are just swiftly moving away. Let me clarify this Queen of Cups in the future. Tell me more about the Queen of Cups, please. Knight of Pentacles, Six of Wands, and Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, whatsoever this is, whosoever with they are with this person, Queen of Cups energy, it's more of a temporary energy, and it will be like, you know, it will never last long with this new person, whosoever this is. It is more about, you know, investing time. They are trying to invest time, but this investment will not be like forever kind of a thing. I don't see that forever. It is more of a permanent, you know. Once they will be like, okay, I'm over with this thing, they are ready to move on from that thing as well. That is what is coming. Tell me more about the Queen of Swords, please, for my Capricorns. Queen of Swords. Death, Temperance, and the Hanged Man. I don't see you being a part of this relationship anymore. You want answers, I know that. Yeah, I want answers, but you might not get the answers, because this is more towards an ending. You moving on, you're just leaving away this person, and you're just ending the things because you are not ready to invest more energy in that situation. You are not ready to still hanging on in that situation. You want to move on. If this thing has ended, you are ready to cut people off in your life. You are ready to cut them off. You wanted answers. If you're not getting those answers, I'm fine with that, and I'm ready to move on. That is why I'm really getting your moving on energies, and they being just, you know, one person, then next person, then another person. So they are just moving here and there, but you are the one who has actually, you know, that strong belief of moving on. You have accepted that thing more. Okay, so let me just see some advice cards for you. Let's check for my Capricorns, please. Knight of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, this is you, and Eight of Wands. This is you going towards your career energy, because I'm really getting you are moving fast, very fast. You're expecting new messages, you're expecting new offers from something else, or it can be your job offers as well. You are expecting strong motions in your life, okay, and there you are. So this is the career woman of the deck. She is more like, I am satisfied, I'm happy with what I have, and I want to be stable in my life. So I don't care if people be there or not. I am ready to move on. I have to, you know. This is that lady. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Capricorns. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.